Alex here with Tool Rev, and today we're looking at DeWalt's 1-inch PEX Expander model DCE400. This can expand 3/8 to 1-inch PEX pipe, and it is a brushed tool, so it does not get the XR label. DeWalt has recently released a brushless 1.5-inch expander, and this DCE400 we're looking at here today has been out for over 5 years now, so we may see a 1-inch brushless from DeWalt at some point to compete with the Milwaukee 1-inch brushless. This is their 2532, and it's a 1-inch brushless PEX expander, same thing, 3/8 to 1-inch. And if you look at these, aside from the different battery base, they are really pretty similar. And if you weigh both of these without the battery, they're both just under 4 pounds. They both have a very similar trigger and a reversible belt hook. And they both have a work light, which in my opinion is way too bright on the DeWalt. I don't want to say way too bright, but it's too bright in my opinion. It stays on for 2.5 minutes before switching to a lower brightness for another 30 seconds. Where the Milwaukee, to my eyes, for my eyes, is right under the point of being too bright and shuts off after 11 seconds. And there's nothing that I could find in the manual for either one of these to adjust the brightness. So you're stuck with whatever you get. With either one of these, if you buy the bare tool, you're going to get a case and 3 expansion heads. So that's not exactly clear from the websites, but I believe that is the way it is. I ordered the DCE400B, B for bare tool. And they sent me the DCE400D1, which I would avoid if I were you, because this only comes with 2 expansion heads. It comes with the 1/2 inch and the 3/4 inch. Then you get one of these little batteries, 2 amp hour battery or whatever. Yeah, 2 amp hour battery. And you get a 2 amp charger, really lame little charger. So I would avoid the D1. If you get the D2, you're going to get 2 batteries. I don't know if they're 2 amp or 3 amp hour batteries. And you're going to get 3 expansion heads. And you're going to get a 4 amp charger. I would go for the bare tool kit because you're going to get the 3 expansion heads. You're going to get a case. You're going to get a tube of expansion grease to keep the cone greased on the tool. And then you can buy your own battery and charger. Batteries and charger, you'd be better off, in my opinion. Both of these are claiming to be the fastest at expanding 3/8 to 1-inch PEX. And so I ran them against each other using 3/4 inch PEX A and fully charged batteries. And I did 3 runs and got the same results every time. 10 pumps each run. And this is what one of those looked like. As far as I can tell, the DeWalt, aside from the extra bright light, has a better build quality, at least on the exterior, than the Milwaukee. This one, along with the other 2 brushless ones, I have 2 more here, brushed versions of this, and all of them, if you hold the head and the body, there's play between these 2. Even if I tighten the screws in, you can't get rid of that play. So the DeWalt does not have that. The body and head, it's tight, so it just feels a little bit better that it doesn't, it's not moving around like that. So that's it for me, guys. If you get any of these, if you get this one, I hope it works out well for you. You can always check out the article for these reviews at toolrev.com for more information, additional footage, and updates. And I would love to see you guys over there in the comments, so do check it out, and I will see you next time.